Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. Today my special guest Marissa is going to show us how to make this beautiful lei, even if you're not really a crochet expert. So let's get started with Marissa.
So these are the two yarns that I use for the lei.
Okay.
And then crochet hook. If you don't know how to crochet, the step that you need for this is literally the easiest thing you can do. So you just slip knot onto your hook.
That's to start.
Yep, just to start it so that you have something to work with.
Okay.
And then all you do is chain. Just yarn over and pull the yarn through. And you just keep doing that.
So how do you know when to stop?
You just know when to stop when you know what the measurement you want is.
How long of a lei you want?
Yeah, so if you just want it to be thin like this and you just want to do one strand, then you just measure it to go around your neck. If you want it to be two strands like this one here, then you just crochet this so the length that can go wrap around your neck 2 times.
Oh, okay.
If you want to do more, you can do more.
Oh.
And I'm using this really big hook because if you use anything smaller, the chain is going to be a lot smaller.
Okay, yeah, I was going to say, so that is a big hook.
Yeah, this is a big hook. This is like a 12mm hook.
Oh, okay.
And that's done.
Okay, so you're going to, what do you have? You have to do anything special to end it?
Nope, you just got to chop so that you have a little room to tie. And then yarn over one more time. Pull it all the way through so that the ends come out the other side. And pull to tighten.
Oh.
And then it's...
And then it's done?
Yep, all done. I mean, you can add a bow to it at the end, or if you wanted to put like kukui nuts or wooden beads at the end just to make it look more finished.
Oh, neat. I mean, that was super fast.
Yeah. So if you're pressed for time and you can't make, 20 like straw leis or anything in one go.
And again, it doesn't actually use much yarn.
Oh, no. Hardly uses anything. It's just the length. And then maybe a little bit more for the end so you can tie it because the chain doesn't hardly take anything.
So this is kind of nice too, like if you did it in school colors and then just use it as almost like a lanyard and add a little treat thing or something.
Yep, you can totally just tie on like a snack bag down at the bottom here, or if you wanted to tie a gift card.
I think that was faster than doing a single ribbon braid lei.
Yeah. It is.
Well, I guess because you crochet all the time, but still, I think if you practice enough, you could probably get quite a few done really fast. Yeah.
Like if you were waiting for a grad ceremony to finish and you're just like, I don't have enough leis.
What would happen if you twisted it together?
Oh, twist it? Yeah, I can show you. Let me just. So it gets much thicker when you twist it.
So many different things you could do.
Oh yes, so many.
Thank you for joining us today. And wasn't this a really cool lei to learn how to make? Like I said, I'm an everyday crafter just like a lot of you. So I really enjoy learning how to make different things in different techniques. And if you want to learn more, follow us on Instagram at The Joy of Crafting. You can find us on Facebook at The Joy of Crafting. And of course, our YouTube channel, The Joy of Crafting. So until the next time, happy crafting!